Look at this, a beautiful bird box. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make. Grab yourself a big piece of plywood, mine's off an old shed roof. Mark points 16 centimeters from one edge. Then with a big straight stick, pencil a line all the way down the wood. Then with your electric saw, cut all the way down that line. If you haven't got an electric saw, use your handsaw, get some exercise. Mark two 16 centimeter points at the end of this piece of wood, cut it off, and then keep that piece because that's the bottom of your birdhouse. Same again, 2 points at 16 centimeters and draw a line. Then use a straight edge to draw a sharp angle from one corner. You can see my saw there, that's where I drew mine. From there, what we've done is put the base of the bird box at the top of that angle that I just drew with my saw, as you can see here. Then we drew a line straight down that base. You end up with this, cut down these two lines, and you end up with your two sides of your bird box. Let's make the back. So get your base and your side, put it on the piece of wood and mark the top. Do the same with the opposite side. Draw a straight line across these points and cut out the back of your bird box. Oh, it's really taking shape now. Look, you've got your two sides, you've got your base and your back. Let's move on to the next stage. From the shortest end of the slope, measure to the base. Ours is 17 centimeters. Mark these 2 points on your big piece of wood, draw a line and cut out the front of your bird box. Oh, look at this now, it's really taking shape. It's starting to look like a real bird box. We're going to make the lid. Mark 23 centimeter points on that big piece of wood, draw a line and cut it out. Oh look, a bird box, but there's something missing, isn't there? Yes, a hole to get in and a perch. Let's do that. For the hole in the front, we're using a 32mm flat drill bit. 32mm is suitable for sparrows, but you might want to look at different sizes for different species of birds. We're going to make the perch. We used bamboo, but you can use anything from a pencil to just any piece of wood. Drill a hole the same size as your perch, and then just tap the perch into place with a hammer. And there you have it, your entrance and perch. Get a piece of felt or waterproof material, and then put your top of your bird box in the centre of this material and draw a line 2 inches from the border, and then cut it out. Fold the felt round the wood, and then tack it in. We use drawing pins. And there you have it, a fully waterproof lid. Here's what you should have. It's time to assemble our bird box. We used adhesive and screws, but you could use whatever you've got in the garage. Once it's all fixed and set, give it a lick of paint. This will make it look amazing in your garden. Then all you need to do is pop 2 screws in the lid. That'll give you easy access if you need to clear it out at any point. And there you have it, a beautiful birdhouse. How quick and easy was that? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.